Hello friends, today I am in front of you to discuss one sub-module of the module Search and Reports of eGranthalaya 4.0. As you know, eGranthalaya 4.0 is a cloud-based environment, so many special features. This sub-module is also one of the best sub-feature of the eGranthalaya 4.0, and the sub-module is Documentation Bulletin or Library Newsletter. The special facility of eGranthalaya 4.0 is under Search and Reports module of eGranthalaya. Under Search and Reports, we may see six sub-modules. Accession Register, Faceted Search, Search from Net. Here under Net you will find another three search facilities: Z39.50, WorldCat and EasyLibNet. Then after that, Documentation Bulletin, Bibliographies and Acquisition Queries. Today we will focus upon this one, Documentation Bulletin. Click here. After clicking you will get this format. This form will arrive. You have to manually select the parameters according to your own need. What are your own needs? First of all, collect in your mind, and after that select accordingly. I am going to select first step. Step 1, search records. For searching, we have to select various parameters. Here I am selecting data added. You may keep accession date. Here another 4 options I am selecting. Last 1 year. As soon as you will select, here date will arrive. Date it is providing 27/8/2019 to 26/8/2020. Now I must search, select 2. Step 2, select document to be included in bulletin. I am going to select this one also. I am keeping here circulation transactions. Here just side of the search, type bulletin heading. Here I am providing one heading, a pupa, suppose a pupa. Now print newsletter, volume number, suppose 1. I am providing, you may choose according to your own desire. And here year, volume, issue number, month and year. After that select report format. PDF format is already selected here. I will keep this one, but I am showing 3 options are available: PDF format, doc format and HTML format. And now here write editorial. For writing editorial, this box is available. Already sample has been given here. I am keeping this one because it's a demo class. In actual situation you must have to delete this one and write your own information, your own editorial here. This one is the documentation bulletin / library newsletter submodule. Hence library newsletter also may be published from here. Very good facility by eGranthalaya 4.0. After selecting all the parameters, I am going to click on search. Here search, and this one search the 1 year record of circulation transaction. Here see, it is showing all the records. I am going to the last record, this one, 1135, 1135 records has been selected. Here see, all has been selected by ticking. If not, if box is arrive with red button, you have to select here, but in this case already selected. And as soon as I have searched, these 3 red buttons arrived. First one is generate bulletin in HTML format. Second one is send bulletin to members by mail. And third one is the generate bulletin for print. And after that again select report format. In which format you want, PDF format, doc format or HTML format. It's your desire. Hence, one by one, I am going to generate the reports and show you. The first of all, I am going to generate this one. Generate bulletin in HTML format. This one is generating. One suggestion to all: you must go through the eGranthalaaya 4.0 user manual beat by beat, word by word, letter by letter. It's very compact and very informative. If you want to use eGranthalaaya 4.0 in proper manner, systematically, in that case, user manual can't be ignored by anyone. Go day by day and consult user manual. See here, downloaded the HTML format. This one generates bulletin in HTML format. Bulletin has been generated in HTML format. I am going to open this one. See, this one is the bulletin. Here you are getting the editorial, volume 1, issue 1, August 2020. Totally, this Pupa name I had given already as a title, list of recent books, title details, number, serial number, and other details. We are getting accession number, accession date, title, author, edition, place, publisher, date, pagination, all. And see this one. Wow, fantastic. No need to publish library newsletter separately or provide statistics in a haphazard manner. Just create your documentation bulletin and send to the research scholars, send to the students, send to your senior official, whatever is the setup of your library, whoever is the intended user or anticipated user or current user of your library. According to that, send this one. Just see, it's very beautiful. Good. Now I shall see the another two options. Now I am going to see this one. Generate bulletin for print. This will arrive in the PDF format as I have chosen. And for this one I am just clicking. It will start processing. Please wait. Take few minutes. Depending on the speed of your internet. EG4 cloud-based environment. So many improvements in comparison to EG3. This has been also downloaded. Now here, corner, bottom, left hand side. I am going to open this one. Just see a Pupa. Wow, this one is the PDF format. This one is the format here. This way you will get the report for print. First one was in HTML format. This one is for print, and we will see the third one also. Go to the last of the last. This one. 1135 documents are being shown in a very systematic way. This report is being generated. Nothing to do by your side, just download and send to the user or official not last. I'll create this one. Second one, send bulletin to members by mail. I have clicked. It's processing. Please wait. In today's digital environment, this kind of softwares, cloud-based software with so much facilities, are almost mandatory for every library, and Granthalaya is in the lead role. No substitute of this software. Hence, we must prefer this one. So user friendly, nothing to be worried about what to write the report or what to do from your side. Nothing, everything has been created in very sophisticated manner, taking into the aesthetic sense in mind. Beautifully arranged documents we get in the form of reports. And after that, at last I want to show you this one, user manual. Yes, see, this one is the user manual, chapter 13, 4, documentation, bulletin and recent arrivals. You will get bit by bit information, how to generate, report, everything. It's showing the HTML format and all. Hence you must have to consult user manual 2. Today I have discussed about this one, and at last thank you to everybody. In another video I will meet with you with several other bulletins. Today we have discussed this one.